Hari Om to all the iLeads. I welcome you all to the iLead Public Speakers Circle, that is Vagjyoti. This class is an orientation of what we are doing here at Vagjyoti as a part of iLead Public Speakers Circle. So iLead Public Speakers Circle is an initiative by Sri Prabhuji, and this is a learning program to the students of Atma Jyoti Vishwa Gurukulam. The aim of this module is to make all you children into better communicators, honing your leadership skills in a very safe and supportive environment. And this we do by incorporating the values of Gita, the Bhagavad Gita as well. The program is sponsored by the Light of the Self Foundation with the motto of self-realization and service under the divine guidance of Sri Prabhuji. So I welcome you all to this Vagjyoti. Let us know the mission of Vagjyoti. The mission here is to imbibe communication skills to make you from iLeads to powerful, competent orators. To imbibe management skills and organizational abilities in all of you. And all this we practice in a very safe and supportive environment. The environment here is so conducive that we all grow together, learn together, and move forward together. So in Vagjyoti, we imbibe the values of Bhagavad Gita as a way of life. So let us begin our journey from iLead to an iLead competent orator. Try answering these questions to yourself. Have you ever participated in debates, speech programs at your schools and colleges? So you must have identified some strengths, some weaknesses in yourself. What were the strengths that you identified? What were those weaknesses that you want to correct? What was the peer review and what did your teachers, what did your friends say about it? Were you ever stuck in the middle of a presentation? Do you feel that there is a need for improvement in your life? Now, just think how this program is going to be useful to you all. This journey we are embarking upon is from becoming an iLeader, as you all are, to a competent orator. So here, all of us who have enrolled as iLead, as we are termed as iLeaders, let us embark on the journey of 10 speech projects, by the end of which you will be remarkably good with your speeches and you will be called a distinguished or a competent orator. Let us bridge the gap between your classroom and your career. So what is iLead? What do we do here? So how is it important? And how is it helpful to the students? What do we do here? Let us learn more about what iLead is. iLead is a platform which creates opportunity. All of you must have spoken in your schools, in your colleges. You must have spoken in groups. How did you feel? I know there is a lot of scope for development, for improvement. iLead creates a very good platform. It creates an opportunity for you to learn how to combat your fear in public speaking. So not only are you given a chance to speak, but it is done in a very supportive environment where there is no one to judge you. We learn from our own mistakes. There is no feedback, no criticism, but only constructive criticism and good feedback which is given to you. So iLead basically gives an opportunity for you all to speak. And this bridges the gap between what you learn at school and what you really need to know. iLead helps to combat fear. Do you want to combat your fear? Do you want to confront your fear? So this iLead is the platform for you to face your fear head on. Just go ahead, face your fear. There is nothing more you can do than facing your fears head on. One of the biggest advantages of being an iLeader is that It significantly reduces any fears that you have around public speaking. You can ultimately eliminate all your fears altogether by allowing you to present yourself repeatedly. So after a few meetings and after a few speeches, you will find yourself and your speeches less stressful, less anxiety induced, and it becomes more like your second nature. iLead builds confidence. Confidence is really critical to giving a killer presentation. Without confidence, you not only make your audience feel uncomfortable, but by appearing nervous, but you will not be able to focus on an excellent delivery. So iLead helps you to build your confidence. It makes you give an excellent delivery where you will be applauded everywhere you go. Attending iLead meetings and rehearsing continuously, it not only enhances your speaking ability, it gives you a lot of confidence because more and more opportunities you take to speak, it improves your confidence and you will really know just how capable you are. iLead helps sharpen your leadership skills. You lead by example. Not only do you give speeches, you encourage your team members giving speeches, you learn from them, you learn from your own mistakes, and thereby you become a confident leader. So you will be able to lead a team of children who are learning from you, who are learning from each other. There is no better platform than Vagjyoti, iLead. iLead also helps in improvisation. The first time you gave a speech, remember? How did you feel? Were you satisfied with your speech? I'm sure you felt the need for improvisation. There is always a need for improvement. Sky is the limit. By giving repeated presentations and speeches, you make things better. So being better than yesterday, tomorrow, and tomorrow, you're better than yesterday, and day after tomorrow, you're better than tomorrow. So what more would you ask for than taking up this opportunity to speak? By improvisation, no matter how thoroughly you rehearse, it's nearly inevitable that sometimes you may stumble upon certain questions or certain comments that your audience poses on you. Giving repeated presentations will increase your ability to think on your feet. It improves your confidence and you will be able to give your presentations, your speeches more smoothly and confidently walk your way through it. The next advantage of being a part of this team of iLeaders is that it helps you expand your network. Slowly, you will come across so many children, so many adults who are growing up into confident orators. Every one of you will be placed at different places, and the connection, the network that you create is going to be meticulous. So you will be able to expand your network beyond horizons. So being in a group dominated by highly motivated, educated, intelligent speakers not only enhances your capabilities, it improves your productivity as well. So don't miss this chance of being in the iLead network. You will be able to also share your insights, your ideas, your opinions, your views upon a lot of different things. That way, iLead helps you to interact constantly with your peer group, particularly in a very productive environment. Not only that, I'm pleased to inform that Bhagavad Gita as a way of life has been a part of Indian and curriculum abroad as well. So Bhagavad Gita is a source of unquestionable wisdom and guidance by Lord Sri Krishna. This Bhagavad Gita here in iLead has been introduced to transform our life. Hope you have understood what iLead platform does to you. So what do we do here? In this journey from the iLead competent orator, what we really do is we evaluate, our by giving preparing repeated speeches, by giving speeches, by giving impromptu talks, like thinking on your feet, standing and speaking for yourself, speaking in a small amount of time that is given to you, controlling your voice, your gestures, your vocabulary, and your body language. And you give constructive feedback to others and you receive feedback from others. This way, you improve yourself. In this platform, where we are just guided and just monitored, but not criticized, what do you need? Just speak, go ahead, give your speeches, and become an highly competent orator. Now, how do you do this? What do you need to do here? So be a role player, be an iLead captain, give 10 speech projects, and then become a shrewd, impressive, distinguished orator and a good leader. Hope all of you are ready for this personality makeover. So this is a program initiated by Sri Prabhuji, and it is introduced as a module of Atma Jyoti Vishwa Gurukula. Hari Om to all of you. Thank you.